All right, let's learn the months of the year in Spanish. Enero. Febrero. Marzo. Abril. Mayo. Junio. Julio. Agosto. Septiembre. Octubre. Noviembre. Diciembre. Let's go over each one at a time. Enero is January. Febrero is February. Marzo is March. Abril is April. Mayo is May. Junio is June. Julio is July. Agosto is August. Septiembre is September. Octubre is October. Noviembre is November. Diciembre is December. Notice how each letter, or the first letter, is not capitalized. Everything is in lowercase letters. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to rewind and repeat over and over again if you need help. See you in the next one.